Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Stuff About Tutorial, and in this tutorial we will learn to check transaction history. So guys, all your transaction history will be shown in your profile icons pop up. You have to go with this pop-up, and here you will see transaction history. Just simply click on it and then you will see all your transactions. Because my account is new and I didn't work over here, then all these transactions are empty. And if you worked over here and then you want to see your transaction history, then you can see by use this simple method. So all your invoices will be shown over here, and all your milestone will be shown over here, and your pending funds. So guys, this is all transactions, and all all transactions and all your history will be shown over here. So guys, this is how to check transaction history on Freelancer. Hope you like this video. Thank you so much. Good luck.